What's good, guys? So we're actually in the drive-thru of Popeyes right now. We're gonna get us some chicken sandwiches. But this dude is taking forever. He ordering the whole menu.
Why is this door open?
Probably no road now.
Oh.
So yeah, we trying the chicken sandwiches. Well, I already tried it. She tried it. We just getting it just to get it.
We're hungry. We're hangry.
This dude hurries up, bro. What the heck? Dude, I think he passed out in his car, bro.
No. There's somebody in there with him.
Bro, I think he passed out.
But the car's not even...
Look, that fool done passed out in the driveway.
He did not. Amen.
He passed out.
Maybe his car turned off. Should we ask him?
No, his lights are on.
Oh, his lights on?
Dude, he's ordering, bro. I told him he's ordering the whole menu.
Bro, come on.
Bro, for real. Alright, guys, we'll be back in a little bit because this dude's taking forever.
So you guys, we have our girls with us in the back. If y'all hear some kids talking. Yes. Did you order?
No, we gotta take it forever. You didn't take my order yet. Excuse me? Yeah, let me get 3 chicken sandwiches. Classic. I mean, just the regular one. Classic.
3 classic chicken sandwiches?
Yeah, 3 of them, just the regular chicken sandwiches.
Anything else?
That'd be it.
It's gonna be $12.96 on the window.
What do you say?
It's gonna be $12.96, buddy. Bro, I bet you this dude ordered the.
Where did he get that he took so long?
Hey, we're gonna do that challenge, guys, where we order whatever the person in front of us ordered.
So, like, if they get the whole menu, we get the whole menu.
If they'll get like small drink, we got a small drink.
I want to see what he ordered.
For real.
He was just chilling with the door open.
What's that, a Hampton Inn Comfort Suite?
I'm hungry. I'm gonna try some of this fries. Wait, what was that, Dr. Pepper?
Yeah, Dr. Pepper. Bro, this is like a ghetto fucking Popeyes. The fuck? They got a balcony right here?
It looks like Mexico.
Mexico.
Like Mexico color.
No, they kind of make it look like Louisiana style. That's how Louisiana is. They got like balconies and stuff. We're back, guys. It's been like an hour already.
No, literally, y'all.
Alright, he got 1 bag, 2 bags. That's it.
It took so damn long.
Bro, for 2 dang bags, he probably got like 10 chicken sandwiches in each bag. Got the money?
I thought I gave her. How much was it?
12. Don't hit my truck now, bro.
What is he doing?
Hit my truck now, bro.
What is he doing?
All that shit for nothing, bro. Let's kill you. Oh.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh.
eat Chili's in forever.
Oh, I know.
They got some good chicken fried steaks, guys.
And some good drinks. What else is there? Where are we in Katy? And
Right here
Mason
on
Road?
Mason Road.
Mason Road.
Let me get that chicken sandwich. Let me see what's up.
Nice. Looks good.
Oh, check that out, guys. Go ahead and take a bite.
Looks good, no lie.
Let's see.
Tay, you're gonna eat the paper.
Mmm.
I wanna try it.
Mmm. Ah, now. Wait, what's that black thing right there?
Oh, what is that?
Man, hold up.
Wait. See what it is? Y'all see what it is?
Let me see. There's a roach.
No, it's probably
Oh, it's like from the
from
grill.
the grill or something. What?
Maybe we should got the spicy. Try it out. So you've never tried it, huh?
It's good.
It's usually better though.
Yeah. It doesn't taste that fresh.
Yeah, I think it'd be better if it was fresh. Still good though. What we been?
This is It's good, but
My bug almost gone, guys. Your bug almost gone.
it could have been better.
What did it do?
There's a lot of traffic today.
Hey, keep your cup, guys.